This is actually our third time we've been at Land Forces, so twice in Adelaide and once up here. Each time our stand's got bigger. It's been important for our business. We've grown and pivoted from the mining sector to get into defence, and it's been really successful for us, providing bespoke solutions for defence and directly with the ADF and also with some of the primes, and really building on that success, and it's pretty important for us to be presented here. RUD is a family business. We're an Australian company. We're based here in Brisbane, and we have a 6,000 square metre facility, so we do design, manufacture, the engineering, testing, certification, all in-house. So it's a one-stop shop for real high-quality solutions. We're the Mercedes-Benz end of the market for those that want high-quality solutions. So that's why it really is a perfect fit for us for being in the defence sector and also the mining and other sectors that we're involved in. Well, the chains we make, they're a higher rated chain systems, so for lifting, tie down, rotating, conveying, materials handling, moving, so the basis is round steel components, but here in Australia we value add to the core components, special lifting devices, conveyor systems, transport frames, also for rail, for loading military vehicles onto rail, for lifting engines into the at the production facilities. Doing a lot of work with Rheinmetall, Thales, and the majors in that space.